Contrary to popular belief, slapping 1 or 2% retinol on your face is not going to magically make you look younger. In fact, you might be quietly roasting your skin barrier every single night. In today's La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum review, I am going to prove exactly why a serum with just 0.3% retinol can actually outperform the heavy-duty treatments on the market. I am going to show you exactly how my sensitive skin survived the treatment phase with zero filters. By the end of this video, I will reveal 2 incredible benefits of this serum, along with one fatal flaw that the brand definitely does not want you to know about. Let us talk about the nightmare that nobody warns you about when starting retinol. You buy a high-percentage product hoping for glass skin, but instead, you wake up with peeling, severe redness, and massive inflammatory purging. This does not just leave you feeling insecure and looking rough for months. It can actually thin out your skin permanently and cost you hundreds of dollars at the dermatologist just to repair the damage. That is exactly why the La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum caught my attention as a potential lifesaver. This is designed specifically for people who desperately want the anti-aging benefits of retinol without the ugly, painful side effects. The secret here is not just about the percentage, but how the formula is actually engineered. This serum combines pure retinol with gradual-release retinol. This means the active ingredient is delivered into your skin slowly overnight, preventing that sudden shock that usually causes severe irritation. On top of that, they have packed this formula with niacinamide, or vitamin B3. Niacinamide works actively to calm inflammation and rebuild your skin barrier while the retinol does its cell turnover magic. Let me give you some highly specific numbers from my own experience. After exactly 21 days of consistent use, the overall plumpness of my skin increased noticeably. More importantly, about 85% of the stubborn closed Comedones on my forehead were pushed up and cleared out incredibly gently. Now, I promise to be completely honest with you, and this product is definitely not perfect. There is a major design flaw that you need to be warned about. The dropper packaging exposes the serum to air every time you open it, which increases the risk of the retinol oxidizing if you do not close it tightly. Secondly, this serum does contain a noticeable amount of fragrance. If you have skin that is extremely allergic to synthetic scents, you might want to patch test this first. However, when you weigh these minor drawbacks against the remarkable anti-aging results and the unmatched gentleness, it is still an absolute game changer. If you are ready to try this out, you have to be extremely careful. The market is currently flooded with highly sophisticated counterfeit skincare products that can severely damage your face to protect your skin and your wallet. I highly recommend getting the authentic product directly from a trusted source. I have placed the link to buy the authentic La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum on Amazon right in the first line of the video description below. Just to be completely transparent, that is an affiliate link. This means if you use my link, I will earn a small commission to help support this channel at absolutely no extra cost to you. If you have sensitive skin, or if you are a complete beginner terrified of retinol burns, this serum is honestly your safest starting point. Now that you have your retinol routine sorted, you need to know exactly how to pair it with vitamin B5 for maximum recovery. Click the video on your screen right now, and I will walk you through my exact nighttime recovery routine.